Leatherman Charge versus Wave. Which one is better? First off, both of them are actually the same identical weight. Second thing, the Wave, as you can see over here, is actually almost identical to the Charge in every possible way, except this one is made out of cheaper materials. And it actually really is boring. It looks just like this. The Charge is much better looking. It comes in different kinds and colors, but it is much more expensive as well. It opens up much more smoothly. It looks really nice, and the best of all, the actual tools are a little bit, just a little, built better than the actual Wave itself. So which one should you get? Definitely the Charge.